Hi everyone! Today, we are going to unbox yet another super stunning Pakistani designer dress. The dress code is IMANE by Mushq. As you all know very well, we, at Shadi Dress, regularly introduce the best designer outfits by top Pakistani clothing brands. Let's have a look at this superb embroidered shalwar kameez.
I can't wait, our first time, our first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black.
There is a beautiful white shuttle lace that has been used on the neck border. This is the back of the top. The big embroidered motif in a leaf pattern has been used in the top.
I like you, I can't wait. Our first time, our first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight.
These are the sleeves, have same cut work and thread work looking equally superb. On the border of the sleeves, we used thick, wide sequined lace. Check out the white thread work along with tiny mirrors, looking so beautiful. There is a beautiful cut work and thread work on the hemline of the kameez once again. The white thread work has an embossed look that is trendy and looks so stylish these days. This is the front of the top, same embroidery, same laces, and same attraction. Take a look at the white fabric buttons on the front of the kameez.
I can't wait, our first time, our first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
Matching beautiful laces have been used in the trouser as well. The white and black contrast in this dress looks simply stunning. Next, we have a green dupatta with a big stylish sequin lace on the border and superb thread work throughout the dupatta.
Our first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's facts.
Visit our website www.shadidress.com and buy this oh-so-chic outfit right away. And one more thing. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.
Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.